2009, so the last one of the flight, and I think it shows the progression of where we've come from and where we're going quite clearly. This wine's more than 60% whole bunches, and it really, in a year where we didn't have a horrible heat wave, we had a few hot days, and there was terrible bushfires in parts of Australia that some of my friends really got hit by, but weren't a problem where we are. But we had rain at the right moments in '09, and it wasn't the end of the drought, but it was certainly the first time the vines had a good drink, and the vines really threw up some terrific flavoured grapes. And by doing that whole bunchy method, we were able to really build on that, I suppose, and to pull out the violets and florals.